Chapter 6. Survival in Plants. Introduction. Different areas on the earth have a different temperature, they receive different amount of rainfall and have a different terrain. Some areas are plain, some are hilly and the others have mountains. But there is one thing common in all. They all have plants. In this chapter you will learn about different kinds of plants that grow in different places. The plants in different areas will have different types of leaves, stems and roots that help them to survive the best in those areas. This is called adaptation. Plants can be of two types according to their habitat. Terrestrial plants. Terrestrial means growing on land. So, the plants that grow on land are known as terrestrial plants. Land has different habitats like plains, deserts, mountains, coastal areas, etc. Plants in plains. Plains are the large flat areas of land. The weather in this region is neither very hot nor very cold. Overall, it has a moderate climate. In the plains, the trees which grow in hot areas have lots of branches and leaves. Most of the trees shed all their leaves at the same time once in a year. These trees are called deciduous trees. Peepal, banyan, neem and gulmohar are examples of such trees. In places which are hot and damp with a lot of rainfall, the trees are evergreen. Rubber, teak, tamarind and coconut are some of the plants that grow in such places. Plants in mountains. Mountains are higher than plains. The weather in this region is cold most of the time. Many areas experience snowfall also. Most of the trees that grow in this region are a fir, pine, spruce, cedar, etc. These trees grow tall and straight. Most trees do bear flowers, instead they bear cones and have seeds inside them. These have conical shape and sloping branches which help them to slide off the snow easily. Their leaves are long and like needle. These trees are also called coniferous trees. Plants in deserts. In desert, it is very hot and there is very little rain. The weather in this region is very dry and dusty. These plants are known as xerophytes. Most desert plants grow roots that spread out just below the surface of the ground so that the roots can absorb most of the water that falls on the ground. Some grow roots that go deep down into the soil in search of water. Most desert plants have very few leaves with a waxy coating. In plants like cactus, the leaves are modified into spines. The spines prevent loss of water and also protect the plant from animals. The stems are green and fleshy. This helps in photosynthesis and storing water. Waxy coating on the stems prevents transpiration. Plants in coastal areas. The coastal regions lie near sea coast. They receive heavy rainfall and the weather in this region is hot and humid. These trees have adapted themselves to survive in salty seawater. The trees that grow in this region are coconut, rubber, tamarind, etc. Plants in marshy areas. Marshy areas have clay and sticky soil. Trees growing in these areas are called mangroves. Here, the soil is covered with water, so roots do not get air to breathe. They come out of the soil to breathe. These types of roots are called breathing roots. Aquatic plants. Plants growing in water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants can be divided into three groups: floating plants, fixed plants, underwater plants. Floating plants. Plants that freely float on water are called floating plants. They are small, light and spongy. Their stems are reduced and roots are poorly developed. The leaves of these plants have a thin waxy coating so that water may not wet the surface and block stomata. The common examples of these plants are duckweed and water hyacinth. Fixed plants. The roots of these plants are fixed to the soil in the water, but the leaves and flowers grow above the water surface. They have long hollow stems. The leaves are broad to help stay afloat and get enough air and sunlight. Their leaves have waxy coating on the surface to keep them waterproof. Lotus and water lily are common examples of fixed plants. Underwater plants. Plants like hydrilla and tape grass grow underwater. They have long, thin, narrow ribbon-like leaves. These leaves can bend easily in water. Leaves do not have stomata. They clean the water by using carbon dioxide given out by aquatic animals. They also give oxygen to these animals. Some unusual plants. There are some plants that eat insects. These plants are called insectivorous plants. For example, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. In Venus flytrap, the leaf is folded into two halves. When an insect sits on it, these two halves get closed and the insect gets trapped. Plants of the grass family. Plants belonging to the grass family are very useful. Grass does not need as much water as the trees or bushes. It grows in wide open spaces. When the grass does not get water, it dries up. But the seeds and stem remain alive in the soil. As soon as it rains, it grows again. Uses of grass. Plants of grass family like wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, etc. give food. A plant named papyrus is used to make paper. Dried grass is used as packing material. Ordinary grass is used by animals for grazing. Bamboo is used for making baskets, chairs, drums, mats, etc.